Thank you for purchasing the IC410S professional dry ice blasting equipment. Unpacking the IC410S. Check the packaging for damage before unpacking. Remove the tape. Use a Torx 25 screwdriver to open the wooden box. Unpack the blasting equipment accessories. Read through and understand the included instruction manual. For any queries, contact the ICS team. Remove the protective film, being careful to avoid damaging or scratching the device. Do not use a knife. Remove the anchor and unpack the remaining accessories. Keep the key for the junction box of the device. Note: Variant A. Using a lifting device, crane. If a crane is available, use the hoisting lugs to lift the blasting device from the pallet. The lifting device may only be used in the manner shown in the animation. Use transport straps in pairs to lift the dry ice blasting device. Strictly follow all instructions to prevent damage. Variant B. For disassembly without a lifting device, use the handles provided on the device for manual lifting. Exercise caution. The device is heavy and can weigh up to 120 kilograms. Connecting the IC410S. Connect the power cable plug and rotate it clockwise until it clicks securely. Plug it into an appropriate socket. Connect the compressed air tube using a cross coupling. Rotate the tube clockwise until it clicks into place. Tighten the locking nut. Slowly open the air valve. Attach the blasting hose using a quick coupler. Ensure the safety lock is securely clicked into position. Connect the power cable. Ensure the correct connection sequence. Always connect the terminal to the device first, then connect it to the power or air supply. Note: always wear protective equipment during blasting. Powering on the device. Arm the emergency stop switch. Press the main switch, reset switch, and machine on-off switch to power on the device. Wait for 3 seconds for the system to initialize. Activate the grinder if necessary. Set the desired working air pressure and dry ice consumption value. Remove the safety pin and press the trigger on the blasting gun for several seconds to circulate air through the system. Before filling the dry ice container, blow the system through with clean air, without dry ice, to remove any trapped condensate. Fill the hopper with dry ice pellets. The device is now ready for operation. Powering off the device. Turn off the air supply. Ensure the dry ice container is empty and free of any dry ice residue after operation. Use the blasting gun to blow away excess condensate, then power off the device with the main switch. In case of emergency, release the air overpressure using the safety valve located at the back of the device. Disconnect the hoses in a manner similar to connecting the hoses. Ensure the correct connection sequence. Always disconnect the device from mains first, then unplug the terminals from the device. Disconnect the power cable from the power supply and then from the device. Disconnect the air hose. The dry ice blasting machine is now securely powered off.